So, I'm just going to give you an overview of where I'm staying at Tropicana Apartments in Lanzarote. This is the entrance. So come and join me for a little walking tour. It's actually a room review and just a quick overview of the property. So come on, let's go check it out. Okay, so let's check out my apartment. I'm in apartment number 9. You get a quite a large veranda area. Somewhere to hang up your stuff to dry. Now, first impressions inside, it's very bright and it's very modern. Just look at this. Everything looks like it's recently just been refitted. I'm very impressed. Loads and loads of space for your stuff, for your hanging. Put your clothes away. I've gone for 2 single beds. Little area for shelves for your bags, etc. You get a flat screen TV. You get a safe down there in the corner. You get dual power points next to your bed, which is great because obviously people are always charging stuff these days, like me. Hob, kettle, microwave, fridge down there, which is great. A nice big bathroom. So you get a shower, toilet, all very modern, hair dryer, power points in there yet again. And that's a quick view from the other way around. So yeah, and table and chairs if you want to have a bite to eat inside. So it's quite I'm very impressed actually. For what I've paid, this room is I would consider a much higher standard than my budget. So hats off to them. They've done a cracking job in making this place really, really nice. So let's go check out reception and the pool area. This is the way in off the road here. Straight away, you're straight to the reception area. Got a few bits for sale there, drinks, etc. Okay, let's go and have a look at the pool. Gentleman who checked me yesterday was really friendly, quite a happy chappy. The only concern I had yesterday was shade. Around here, the only place, and my sunbed from yesterday is still there actually. I put my sunbed here in the shade, and it's the only bit of shade I could actually find during the course of the day. And a big central pool here. As you can see, having a good clean. It was full of leaves and stuff yesterday, so morning. Some of the sunbeds are a little bit more tired than other ones, but all in all, it's a very well presented place. Looks quite nice. The gardens are really well kept. Oh, that's very nice, isn't it? And for what I've paid for it, I'm actually really pleased. Been about 5 minutes away from the front, and you got the toilets here next to the pool as well. So there you have it. That's just an overview of all the apartments here, and I would actually say they are very, very good value for money. I've got absolutely no complaints. if you do like this kind of content, why not support the channel? Give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Subscribe is completely free. It helps support my little channel, helps it grow. So it's just a quick walk around of where I'm currently staying. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.